Alright guys, so I'm sure you've heard the beeping and the buzzing. So what we're doing now, we're actually checking the start device, and you can hear that it's beeping. So that tells you that the compressor has an issue. We are now checking to see if the compressor is grounded, which it's not. And now we're checking to see the resistance, meaning if there is a short. The windings, sometimes they're not shorted, but the winding is basically the resistance is too high, which these are. So pretty much we have a bad compressor. Now, the issue that actually started this is the fan in the back, the condenser fan. You'll see shortly. So we're going through just checking everything. So we are going to remove the start device and we're going to check for voltage. Put your meter to volts AC, and you're going to put the leads in the top and the left. Either one should be fine. As soon as you plug that fridge in, you're going to get 120 volts. That means the device is working, it's taking the power, and it's going to put it into the compressor, but the compressor is not doing its job. Now, you can see the fan is trying to turn. In fact, it will turn. I was playing around with it. I know the unit was already dead, but I heard the fan. Well, I see the fan wasn't working, and the conclusion was the fan actually failed first. I even asked the customer if they heard the noise, and she said yes, the fan was making some weird noises and eventually overheated the compressor, lack of cooling, which resulted in the compressor burning out. So it's pretty sad when you think about it, something that could be easily fixed led up to something that's way more important or expensive. So the unit will be condemned. We did not repair it. It was not worth it. So I I'm gonna do this, and just to kind of give you guys a little peace of mind, I replaced the start device. Okay, you don't have to, but at all. If you're getting power, listen. Yeah, so it's still buzzing, and I went ahead and swapped out the start device. That's the dryer. I think it's clicking, and I just wanted to show you guys that don't, if you're getting power at the start device, don't start just throwing parts at it. If you check the compressor winding, the ohms are high, then it's a bad compressor. It's not worth wasting money. So pay attention to your maintenance. Check your fan. If you hear noises, like a loud fan, listen to the fan. It's just stopping and making all kind of noise. If you hear your fridge making noise, you better check it out. Keep the coils clean. Do your maintenance. Now, if your fan was bad, you can actually just put a regular house fan back there temporarily until you can get your fan replaced. So pay attention to the maintenance part, otherwise it could cost you basically a refrigerator. So that was the start device I actually installed, and I want you to hear the click. Basically, sometimes you might feel that you're overlooking certain things, but if you check the compressor, you're getting power, then Don't doubt yourself. All right. Thanks for watching.